Okay, we had a request for this song. This is a song, someone requested this, a song by Richard Thompson called Vincent Black Lightning 1952. Said Red Molly to James, that's a fine motorbike. Old girl could feel special on any searchlight. Said James to Red Molly, my hat's off to you. It's Vincent Black Lightning 1952. And I've seen you in the corners and the cafes it seems. Red hair, black leather, my favorite color scheme. And you pulled her on behind, and down to Box Hill they did ride. Said James to Red Molly, I've a ring for your right hand, but I must warn you in earnest, I'm a dangerous man. See, I fought with the law since I was 17. I brought many a man to get my Vincent machine. Now 21 years, I just might make 22, and I don't mind dying, but for the love of you. And if fate should break my stride, then I'll give you my Vincent to ride. Red Molly, cried Sergeant McCrae, for they'd taken young James Eddy for armed robbery. Shotgun blast hit his chest, there's nothing left inside. Oh, come down, Red Molly, to his dying bedside. When she came to the hospital, there wasn't much left. He was running out of road, he was running out of breath. But he smiled to see her cry. Said, I'll give you my Vincent to ride. There's nothing in this world beats a 52 Vincent and a red-headed girl. Now Nortons and Indians and GDCs won't do. They ain't got the soul of a Vincent 52. Then he reached out his hand and slipped her the keys and said, I've no further use for these. I see angels and aerials and leather and chrome swooping down from heaven to neighbor is Vincent. Thank you for the request.